In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a long position on Tradingview, quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add a long position to your chart, adjust it, and customize the way it looks so it fits your trading style. First, open up your Tradingview chart. You can use any market or time frame you like. Once your chart is loaded, move your attention to the upper left-hand side of the screen. This is where your main drawing toolbar is located. In that toolbar, look for the icon labelled Forecasting and Measurement Tools. It usually looks like a small group of tools rather than a single line or shape. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will expand, showing different types of forecasting tools you can use on your chart. From that expanded menu, select Long Position. As soon as you click it, your cursor will change, indicating that you're now ready to place a long position on the chart. Now, move your cursor over the chart and click on any point where you want to create your long position. This is typically where you're planning to enter a trade. Once you click, Tradingview will automatically create a long position tool with a green profit area above and a red stop area below. This long position shows you, visually, where your entry is, how far your stop loss is, and how far your target profit is. It's a great way to see your risk to reward ratio at a glance and to plan trades before you take them. You can move or adjust this pattern easily. Click and drag the center of the tool to move the entire position up, down, left, or right. Drag the top handle to adjust your take profit level, and drag the bottom handle to adjust your stop loss level. This helps you quickly test different scenarios on the chart. You can also customize how the long position looks. Right-click on the tool or use the options that appear nearby. Here, you can open templates, change the text color, and adjust the profit background, and stop background colors so they're easier to see on your screen. There's also an option to create a limit order from this position, depending on your broker connection and setup. You can open the settings to fine-tune all parameters, lock the tool so you don't move it by accident, or remove it completely if you no longer need it. The three dots, or More Options button, gives you additional controls and shortcuts. That's the basic flow of using a long position on Tradingview. Place it, adjust it, customize it, and use it to clearly understand your potential trade.